Hi guys, this is her channel. Oh, is she already starting? Okay, she's using this, I don't know, concealer maybe?
I think.
Primer? Oh no, I think it's eyelid primer. With this pink brush. And I guess she's doing the bottom of her eyebrow. I don't know which one she's doing first.
Okay.
Okay, she needs to zoom in. She's
I think she's just shaping her eyebrow.
Well, obviously it's her eyebrow.
Or maybe she's doing eyeshadow.
I think she's priming her lid because she's probably gonna do some colors on that, you know.
Awkward silence.
Yeah, she's still doing it.
I don't know what to say to this.
She's patting it in. She's patting it in, you know, into her corner.
She got some right there. I don't even know how to point out to you, but yeah.
Oh, she's blending it with the beauty blender. Beating her eye. She's using essentials. I don't even know what color that was. I guess it's like a pink, maybe.
I don't think that's any color.
I can't say anything.
That looks like a nude.
I think it's like a pink. She's putting it, you know, over or in her crease, her cut crease. I know stuff.
I don't. This is going awfully fast.
Very, very fast.
Well, yeah, she's still doing that.
Yeah, she's, you know, continuing. I still don't know what color that
is. I think that was a pink. I think that was a pink.
Oh, it's darker. Ooh. Or maybe she's yeah, I think she just put the same color.
Yeah.
Yeah, still patting it in, you know, darker in the ends, I guess. Wait, I don't know what brush that is.
It looks like... Actually, no, I don't know.
Oh, she's using a different brush now.
There's
I still don't know.
3 different brushes for those same...
She didn't even show the brush fully. Okay. Okay, whatever. Oh, is that a different brush? Different brush. 3 different brushes for her eyes.
That was 4.
Those 4?
Yeah, I think.
5? Wait, I think that's cinnamon.
I don't understand why you need 5 different brushes for yours. Literally doing the same job.
I'm putting it in the same spot.
Gets out of 6 brushes.
Oh, she's using Stila?
The pretty eyeshadow thing.
What, Siren? I think that's like, I'm pretty sure it's still eyeshadow.
Yeah, it's eyeshadow.
Euphoria
it looks like unicorn. It looks like a unicorn.
Oh, it's glittery, you know. Yeah. Putting it in her lid. I think
cinnamon again?
Yeah, cinnamon.
Well, you have to point to it again, we know.
Well, the audience doesn't know.
Why
she gotta give us that look? But, okay, we're using Marc Jacobs something. I think it might be eyeliner. Oh, I was correct.
That is not correct.
She's smiling. Oh, is that BB cream? I don't know.
Whoa, what the? That just looks really wrong.
She's using a beauty blender to use that too. You know, blend that in.
Blending
is key. Foundation now.
I don't know what that was. Yeah. I can just imagine her putting Bad Bunny in the background while doing this.
Oh, patting it in.
You gotta
blend it. Yeah, for real. Oh, we're using Kylie. Fun.
That's Kylie?
Yes, I said Kylie. I hope. That'll be awkward. I think that's concealer, putting it under her eyes. Because we're trying to hide those bags.
Looks like a zombie.
Yes, we need to be symmetrical. No asymmetrical trash in this.
I'm with my
crooked nose. She's brought back the beauty blender. Okay, this is, yeah. She looks uncomfortable.
I think we're uncomfortable. I think she needs to put that more in her eye. Like, you know, like, that, you know what I'm saying?
No.
I have no idea how to describe this. I'm not good.
Oh, she's, you know, perfecting it. Why was her face like that?
I have no idea.
She's using the bottom of the beauty blender. Oh, her nose is cheese.
Get him.
I think she was lip syncing to songs at the moment. We're still blending.
Oh, my nose looks creepy.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
This powder, I think. Right? The
That's
setting powder. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
The setting powder. And
This
now
is
you're
when
gonna
she
use
actually looks scary.
the powder brush thing.
Oh,
is
she's still
that-
blending.
Jesus.
I think she needed a little more. A different brush for I don't know what she was doing under
I think
there.
that's the. Is she not using the powder?
I feel like you would
I think that's the powder.
No, you would have seen it.
See,
Wouldn't you
no,
know?
but don't you see her face looks like a ghost?
Oh, that's true. Oh, we're using Anastasia contour kit. Oh, she needed a new one.
Yeah. That looks beat.
Oh, we're using a bigger brush, a pretty fluffy one. I don't know what just happened.
You know, brushing her forehead. She's
What the
moving
hell
her
happened to
hairs.
her hair?
Yeah.
Okay, she's trying to perfect her cheekbones.
She wants to look like Johnny Depp. I don't know what that brush. This is a skinny brush for. I think. Is it still contour?
She's using the only color that's basically in her palette. We're trying to make her nose look thinner.
We're sorry.
And we're going stroking her nose up and down. I don't know what else to say. Or a yellow one. Ooh, or we're using some colors that are non-existent.
Literally. What the heck? Lala, honey, you need to get a new palette.
Ooh, we're using. I don't know what the name is that.
You don't know what the name is that?
Shut up. Shut up.
I don't know what the name is that.
Be quiet. Oh, she's smiling. Ooh, we're using blush. We want to look pretty.
Yeah, she needs to fix her. She needs to fix her hairline.
I don't know what that was. She's smiling again. Hi. Ooh, we're doing eyebrows. She's brushing her eyebrows with a comb, mascara looking brush thing. I think she's gonna fill them in. Oh, she has a little bald spot. She's outlining her eyebrow.
That looks like a weird looking brush.
I don't know how the heck that just blended in, but whatever.
I don't know.
I guess you did both eyebrows. I don't know what color she's using.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Wait, what is she doing? Eyeshadow?
I think so. She's too quick.
I know. I'm all confused.
I think she's still lip
Is it just
syncing.
some-
You
I
see,
know,
see
yeah.
her mouth
Like-
movements? Oh, we're using cinnamon.
Again.
Cinnamon's our favorite.
The lower.
The Marc Jacobs. We're filling in our bottom lashes.
Okay.
Oh, her lips
no,
now.
lipstick.
She might put some chapstick on.
That look.
Well, I guess we're not. Oh, what is that? Oh, I don't know. I don't want to say anything. That was like wrong.
What? What were we gonna say?
I thought it was like Saint Laurent, but I don't know my brands.
I
My
don't
makeup
know.
brands. I think that's a healthy lip. That looks like a nude pinkish. We're using some lipstick. We're using ew. Oh, I'm sorry. You're beautiful.
I
I think that was the intro. Goodbye.